Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are okay and happy. So today's video is all about this makeup look right here, and this is a New Year's Eve makeup look. By the way, you can also do it on parties, and so many weddings are coming, right? So yes, you can also do it there. So if you want to know how I create this look, then please keep on watching. So first I'm going to start with the moisturizer, and I'm here using the Nivea Soft Moisturizer. Okay, so moisturizing is done. Now I'm going to wait for some minutes जब तक के लिए ये moisturizer पूरा absorb नहीं हो जाता. You know what? When you don't wait, when you just put moisturizer and then primer and then foundation and then concealer, क्या होता है वो बाद में जाके ना पैची हो जाता है. लेकिन अगर तुम थोड़ा सा वेट करोगे तो देखना सब कुछ अच्छे से सेट होगा. So that's why I am going to wait for some minute and let the moisturizer sit into my face properly, and then I will start with the makeup. And for primer, I have this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. By the way, the color of my dress and the color of my background is totally matching. I actually forgot that I have pink background and pink dress, like totally matching. Anyway, let's ignore that, and I think yes, the moisturizer is set. Yes, there is no oiliness. I mean moisturizer का जो oiliness होता है वही. So I think there is no oiliness, no greasiness, nothing. Now I will start with the primer. Anyway guys, every product detail will be linked in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. By the way, so tell me how many of you watched my travel vlog? I mean, did you guys enjoy it? Well, मेरा अगर पूछो तो yes, I enjoyed a lot on the travel. It was full of ups and downs, as I said. Like कभी मेरा mood ठीक था, कभी मेरा mood खराब था, but at the end, it was really nice. By the way, मैं बहुत दिन बाद ऐसे ही बात करते करते मेकअप कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि वो गर्मी में क्या होता है ना, अगर ऐसे बात करूँगी तो उसके साथ फ़ैन का जो आवाज़ है वो आ जाता है. So it don't go well together. That's why I have to switch off the fan, and then I just have to focus on my makeup. But currently it's winter, so I can talk. Okay, so if you are wondering why I am using all of my product in my neck, because I have seen beauty creators don't do that much, but I like to match my face color with my skin color. That's why when I use makeup, if the neck of my dress is like this, like it's a little bit open, then I always use makeup on my neck, ताकि वो जो फेस का कलर है और जो स्किन का कलर है वो अच्छे से मैच हो. See, you can see that the color of my face is little bit lighter than my skin color, I mean than my neck color. So if you use foundation over your neck, it don't happen. Like it will match everything perfectly. By the way, what you guys did on Durga Puja? Like I was on the trip, and what you guys did? Guys, this is what I am going to use as my foundation, and look at the sponge. I used it on the travel, I used it during Durga Puja, and I forgot to clean it. Anyway, I will use brush today to blend my foundation, but always use sponge, because sponge is better when it comes to the foundation. This is what exactly I feel, because sponge always absorb the extra product, brush don't do that. So I don't have clean sponge today, and I'm not going to clean it now, so I will clean it later. But let's just focus on the makeup and use the foundation. and blend it with the brush. Okay, so foundation part is done. You can see I have blended it very nicely, but I will always say that sponge is 10 times better than the brush when it comes to foundation. Like अभी तक तो मेरा यही मानना है. Like अगर मुझे कोई अच्छा सा ब्रश मिल गया जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है, like स्पॉन्ज से भी ज़्यादा अच्छा, तो मैं शायद अपना ओपिनियन चेंज कर सकती हूँ. बट फॉर नाउ sponge is 10 times better than brush. When you do your makeup, always use a sponge, a dumb sponge, because that's help you to blend the foundation better. Like ये भी अच्छे से blend हुआ है, लेकिन इससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छे से blend होता है और एक natural look create करता है. If you are a natural makeup look lover like me, then you will love the finish of sponge. But if you like dramatic makeup, or if you like a little bit heavy makeup, then you will love the finishing of brush. So choice is yours. For me it's sponge. Now I will use the concealer, and it's from Lakme. Most of my products are either from Lakme or from Maybelline because they make affordable products and it's really nice. I mean, I love Maybelline का makeup products more than Lakme. Guys, देखो मेरा भी मूंछे है. And now I will use the compact, and it's from Lakme. So yeah, let's use the compact. By the way, see how tiny the brush is. I just love this brush because this is really tiny and cute. You know, all the tiny things looks really cute. I'm thinking about doing dark eyes because it's a holiday. I mean New Year's Eve makeup, तो New Year's में वही अच्छे लगते हैं. So I am thinking about doing brown eyes with a red or brown lips. Let's see. But for eyes I am going to keep it dark. So first of all I am using this shade on my crease line. So now I will use this shade on my inner corner. So inner corner is done, and now I will use this shade on my outer corner. So let's just use it. So for my lower lashes I am going to pick this color and just simply use it on my lower lashes. I mean lower lash line. See it, like the difference between my both eyeshadow on the upper eyelid, I mean on my eyes, and the eye color, I mean the eyeshadow color on my lower lash line. Can you guys see the difference? I guess you can see it. And now, well, I'm not going to do eyeliners today because I'm going to use the kajal. क्योंकि मैंने देखा है बहुत सारे क्रिएटर्स को काजल्स यूज़ करना, तो मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है एंड आई हैव नेवर डन इट, सो दैट्स वाई आई वॉन्ट टू यूज़ काजल. I mean, I have used kajal, but I will draw a bold line on my eyes. So let's see how it goes. I'm actually very nervous because I have never done it. So let's just see what happened. Is it going good? I think it's going good. Okay, let me do the kajal part because I am really nervous. Guys, I guess it's going great. Like मैंने जो सोचा था वही हो रहा है. थोड़ा सा dark eyes and I think I'm loving it. लेकिन मेरा थोड़ा सा हाथ शेक हो रहा है. Guys, I have done it. See, I think my eyes are looking more and more open up and I guess I'm loving it. It's so nice. You can try this. It's really nice. Like thumbs up from my side. And now the last part for the eyes is the mascara. I just can't live without mascara. I love mascara more than anything. I mean, my favorite makeup product is mascara because it's instantly open up my eyes. Let me show. See the difference, like these eyes are looking thoda sa fika fika. Can you see the eyelashes, how beautiful it's looking? And see this taraf kuch nahi hai. I know this was really a oiled way to show eyelashes, but ये मैं कर सकती हूँ. Now the time is for a blush. Oh my god, you guys can't see it. I mean the camera is not catching it, but there is blush. I mean the camera is not catching it. अगर मैं ज़्यादा करूँगी ना तो मैं रेड टमाटो की तरह दिखती हूँ. So I am not going to do it over and over. लेकिन हाँ, यहाँ से मैं देख सकती हूँ. लाइक थोड़ा सा समझने की कोशिश करो. I don't have camera. I am using my phone as the camera. थोड़ा सा समझने की कोशिश करो. And the last part is the highlight. So highlighter blending भी हो गया है. Now it's time for the lipstick. I mean, look at the color of this lipstick. It's really pretty. I mean, it was gifted, so I can't give you the link because it was gifted, and I don't know from which site she bought it. I mean, one of my relatives gifted me this, so I don't know, but the color is really pretty. Okay, so everything is done. Now just give me 2 minutes to set my hair. Okay, so that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys really liked it. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what other videos you want me to do, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, take care, bye bye, and this tata.